Welcome to DivTech 101, aka Black Mantle, as we discuss information technology, also known as IT. On today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks that you can use to free up space on your computer and using disk cleanup. So what you can do is basically hit the Windows key on your keyboard. You're going to type in disk cleanup, and you're going to hit and click on that or press enter. Now, you're going to let this run for a minute. It's going to pull up some information on your computer. Now, your disk cleanup window may not pop up as fast as what mine did, depending on the speed of your computer. If you're unsure about whether or not you need to use it, you can just simply click on File Explorer. You can click on this PC and you will see your amount of space that you have used here by kind of hovering over it. Of course, if it's blue, it's going to be fine. Sometimes it's green on different computers, it's fine. But if it's in a reddish color, it's going to be all the way to the right, and that means that you're going to have the left numbers here is going to go down a free space, but your number on the right is the total space. That means that this is going to show you the amount of space that you have there. But just for the record, this is a brand new computer install that I did here, so I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. But say if you had a whole bunch of different pieces of old files in here like the trash, you can just basically click all of these here. And then if you want to include some cleanup files, you can basically click the cleanup files. It's going to pop up another window for you to approve, especially if you're on a domain. If not, it's going to go through and calculate that to get more things such as other backups and things like that. I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of these here. You have the option to using more options here to get rid of system restore and shadow copies and other programs. But this right here is telling you how much disk space that you're going to regain back. And we're going to go ahead and click OK and then delete files. And we're going to let that go ahead and run. In the meantime, if you want to kind of see some of the progress as you're going through this, just basically pull up the window that I showed you a moment ago, so that way you can actually see it. We see we have 438 gigs free of 465. And then sometimes if you refresh, it will show you the amount of disk space that you actually just freed up here. Now people, that pretty much wraps up today's video on how to check disk space on your computer. Like, listen, and subscribe to the channel. DivTech 101, aka Black Mantle. Look forward to bringing more technology content to you soon.